Nice.
Before we get back to Dave, I want to introduce myself. I'm James from thepaintpeople.com, and this is what's in the box. Dazzling Dave and I have prepared an unboxing of a sprayer. Not just any sprayer, it's the FinishPro GX19 by Graco. Traditionally, the fine finishes are reserved for the HVLP and the air-assisted sprayers, but here we have an airless sprayer that can do the job of some designated fine finish machines. Let's get back to Dave and continue the unboxing.
Ooh, nice. We got a 25-foot hose with an FTX spray gun. An actual unit. So they give you a user manual on CD, a safety card, and the actual user manual. And nice, a little spare filter for you. So inside the hopper, you get a 210 FFLP. Woo! And a strainer for the bottom of the hopper. As you can see, don't know if you can see too well, but we get the light in there, and that's where that goes. So the cool thing, guys, is this hopper actually prevents you from spilling anything. It locks, it doesn't come loose, so when you pick it up, your paint's not going to fly around anywhere. Your pressure control is right here, which is a nice handy spot. Your hose connection is right there. Over on this side here, you got your prime valve and a nice little pressure gauge to let you know where your pressure is. So this is all that comes into the box. So right now what we're gonna do for you is we're gonna put it all together for you to show you what it looks like when it's all assembled. So easy connection right in here, guys. And that would essentially be tightened up with an adjustable wrench. Everything's here, your return is there. So now that we got it all together, this is my take on this machine. So even though this is an airless machine, it still gives off a fine finish. Just like the HVLP and the air assisted, it's ideal for doors, trim, anything that you need that fine, nice coat on. It comes with a 25-foot 3/16 hose for extra flexibility. You can move it around into tight quarters. The nice gun with the 2-finger trigger, which is really easy on your hand. So this unit comes with a fine finish tip, which is the FFLP 210, which gives you a 4-inch fan and not a lot of paint coming out, so you get that control. So if you wanted a wider fan, you could also get a different tip. They come in all different kinds of sizes, 4, 6, 8, and even 10-inch. So the setup on this is a lot easier than an HVLP. You fill up the hopper, prime it, lock it, pressurize it, and you're ready to go. This bad boy here will do oil, latex, and lacquers. If you have any questions about this sprayer, just comment down below. We're here to help you. I gotta go. See you guys.
Ah man, Dave left before he could share where to get this sprayer. Now, if you are considering purchasing this sprayer for yourself, you can find it on our website in the link below. And if all this spray talk was a little bit too advanced for you, I might recommend you watch our College of Spray Knowledge series, which is right here. It's a 5-part episodic series about sprayers in general. Whether you need one, which ones to use, how to use them, how to take care of them, everything you need to know. And it stars Dazzling Dave as well. That's it for this one. See you on the next one.